Question number 156. What will happen if ovaries of a female are removed after 4 months of pregnancy? So the keywords are after 4 months of pregnancy. Placenta functions as endocrine structure, and hormones produced by placenta like progesterone, which is also known as pregnancy hormone, maintain the pregnancy. So the very first option, she will have a miscarriage, and this cannot be a correct answer because this progesterone, which is secreted from placenta, maintains the pregnancy and prevents miscarriage. The next option given is level of estrogen and progesterone declines, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because other hormones like estrogen, XII and progesterone are synthesized by placenta. The next option is she will continue to have a normal pregnancy, and this is a correct answer to our question because even if ovaries have been removed, placenta can maintain the pregnancy. The last option is there will be deficiency of placental hormones, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because after 4 months of pregnancy, established placenta can produce placental hormones. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 157. Dental formula for monophyodont teeth of a human is, and the options are 2102 and 2102, 2123 and 2123. Third option is 0021 by 0021, and the fourth option is 2101 by 2101. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, 0021 is to 0021. Because monophyodont teeth appear only once in lifetime of an individual, and premolars and last molars are monophyodont teeth of a human, and that's why dental formula is 0021 and 0021. As we all know, dental formula is represented as 0021 is to 0021, where 2 represents premolars and 1 molars. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option is 2102 is to 2102, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because this is the dental formula of diaphyodont teeth. The next option is 2123 and 2123, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because this is the dental formula of an adult human. And the last option is 2101 is to 2101, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 158. Common feature between myelinated and non-myelinated nerve fibers of PNS is, and the options are presence of nodes of Ranvier, presence of Schwann cells, presence of neuralema, and fourth option is both 2 and 3. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, both 2 and 3. That is presence of Schwann cells, yes, and presence of neuralema. Schwann cells are present around both myelinated and unmyelinated nerve fibers of PNS, and plasma membrane of Schwann cells, this is neuralema. Now Schwann cells and neuralema are present in both myelinated and non-myelinated nerve fibers. But nodes of Ranvier are absent in non-myelinated nerve fibers. So this cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 159. The type of joint present between acetabulum and femur is also present between. And we know that the type of joint present between acetabulum and femur is ball and socket type of joint. It is a type of synovial joint, and this joint is also present between carpal and metacarpal of thumb? No. So this cannot be a correct answer to our question because saddle joint is present between carpal and metacarpal of human thumb. The next option is humerus and pectoral girdle, and this is a correct answer to our question. As you can see here, this is pelvic girdle in which ball and socket joint is present between acetabulum and femur. And this is a pectoral girdle in which synovial joint called ball and socket joint is present between pectoral girdle and humerus. So the correct answer is option number 2. The third option is atlas in excess, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because pivot joint is present between atlas and excess cervical vertebrae. And the last option is between carpals, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question. This gliding joint is present between carpals. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 160. Consider the following symptoms which were observed in a child. And the given symptoms are growth retardation, low IQ, abnormal skin, deaf mutism. Above mentioned symptoms are caused by deficiency of a hormone whose hypersecretion causes. And the options are simple goiter, exophthalmic goiter, myxedema and cretinism. Now, the following symptoms given in the question are symptoms of cretinism caused by deficiency of a hormone called thyroxine. And now the question asks for, now the question is hypersecretion of this hormone causes, and the correct answer to this question is option number 2, exophthalmic goiter. Hypersecretion of thyroxine causes exophthalmic goiter, whereas the rest of the options, simple goiter, myxedema and cretinism cannot be the correct answer because these are caused by the deficiency of hormone thyroxine. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question.